the sound. I feel Jah presence all around. Now the night falls soft and my soul, dub echo rolls, making me whole. Sister of the sound, I'm feeling high under the stars of a Kingston sky. to shine. Peaceful soul, the world alive. I lift my song to the sky so wide. Roots in love, forever my guide. Sweet reggae breeze, carry me away. another chance to make things right. Freedom calling through the reggae sound. Peace and love forever bound. Jah love will never fade away. Through every storm we find the way. once more. Voices rising through the island rain, singing freedom, wash away the pain. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Your light will guide us through the sky. Hold the faith, let your spirit fly. We're rising higher by and by. Ancient fire burning deep within. Roots of my soul, where it all begins. From the mountain to the sea, love and unity will set us free. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Your light will guide us through the sky. Hold the faith, let your spirit fly. We're rising higher by and by. Dub echoes roll through the mystic night. Bassline steady, hearts ignite. Trumpet calling in a distant haze, guided by the rhythm of praise. Now the morning sun begins to shine. I feel your presence, pure divine. Every breath, a song of grace. Roots and love in every place. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Your light will guide us through the sky. soul